welcome back to the D.I.M.E dance, and today we'll be doing another line dance. We will be doing Planet Rock, and it's going to be a tutorial because on Facebook y'all all said tutorial. So that's what we're going to do. Now, first we're going to start off, tap right, step right, tap left, step left. Did you get that? I'm going to start it over just for the people who didn't. Tap right, step right, tap left, step left. If you got that, give me a thumbs up. So, now we're going to start off with the second part. So, for this part, it's not tricky at all. You'll be doing another dance like boots on the ground. You'll be turning, but we're not going to turn. It's going to stay the same. So, we're going to tap right, step, tap left to the back. Tap, tap. Now, I'm going to do it one more time, just for the people who didn't get it. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap right, step, tap left to the back, tap, tap. Now I'm going to do it all together. Tap right, step right, tap left, step left. Right, 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3. For the third part, we're going to be doing, this is my favorite part. I really like it. It's just like, I'm just bouncing up and down. It's just a vibe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, step, right. Let me start off with this. Right, tap, right. Kick for your left foot. Left, tap, right, left, right foot kick. If you got that, give me a little thumbs up. I'm going to do it all together one more time, but I'm going to do the whole thing. 3 parts we learned. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap right, step right. Tap left, step left. Then you're going to step, left, step. Then my favorite part, but you got to bounce with me. Right, right, kick, left, right, left, kick. The last part, the fourth part, it's holy stutter. It's the easy part. That's all I'm gonna say. Cause I keep let me check. Yep, you're gonna start with your right. You're gonna tap, then turn with your left foot. Leave with your left foot. You're gonna tap, and then you're gonna turn with your right foot right here.
Yep. Get it, Dallas. Oh. This song is too long.
Just take the phone and hit me. Just get on up and hit me.
Get fancy, Dallas.
If I just get so funky now hit me. Tell it east to the world. Spread the message of the world.
Okay, Pop.
Hey, I'm Planet Rock. On it, you got the groove. Move, tackle, something feel the groove. Feel it, do what you want, but you know you got to be cool and boogie. Out on the floor, come down, bring it low. Hustle the